Hey, it's me, Rob from Lowe Is Marketing, and we're talking about Facebook ads because this is what I know you guys want to know. So this is the thing. A lot of people have been asking a few questions, and I'd like to introduce myself again. Rob from Lowe Is Marketing. We've been in the business for 10 years. You'll find us on all the social media platforms. We're there to help you grow your business and get you in front of the customers that you want to do business with. And this, of course, with any company, you need leads or you need people that are buying your product. And the only way people are going to buy your product is if you're actually asking them to buy. This is how we do this. This is what we've been doing. And like I said, we've been around for some time, 10 years now. So been doing it as the digital marketer and as Lowe Is Marketing. You can find us on all your social media platforms. Feel free to drop us a line, ask us any questions, or just click the link below and be taken in to start your Facebook ads tutorial, which will teach you everything from A/B testing to all the things that you need to know about Facebook ads. This is what we do. This is what we love doing, and we love working with you. So I hope that this answers any questions that you might have. And if you have anything that I have not answered at this time, because this is an ad and we keep it brief and short because we know people don't like watching too long of videos. So we're going to be here to help you, and I hope you can reach out to us and we get to see you soon so we all can grow together. Again, I thank you, and once again, have a great day and look forward to speaking with you soon.